What is DNS and how it works? DNS stands for Domain Name Server. DNS translate human readable domain names like google.com into IP address like this. Here is a simple way to understand how DNS works into 4 steps. Suppose you have to visit google.com. 1. You open your browser and type google.com and hit enter. Immediately, there is a quick check to see if you have visited this website previously or not. If the DNS records are found into your computer DNS cache, then the rest of the DNS lookup will be skipped and you will be taken directly to google.com. Second, if no DNS record are found, then the query is sent to your local DNS server, which is your ISP and often called resolving name server. Third, if the record are not cached on the resolving name server, then the query is forwarded to the root name server to locate the DNS record. Root name server are designated server around the world for storing DNS data. Once the DNS record are found on the root name server, it's cached by your computer. Fourth, now the DNS record are located. A connection to the server where the website is stored will be open and google.com will be displayed on your screen. Thank you.